At least $2 billion are urgently needed by the Uganda National Roads Authority to execute construction from gravel to bitumen of nearly 600 kilometers of roads, already designed but without immediate funding.
What we have done is prepared designs and contract documents for a number of projects. Now, not all these projects have got funding, so these projects have been temporarily put on hold as we negotiate with the Minister of Finance for the financing.
This concern emerged at the signing of the contract between government and the China Henan International Cooperation Group for the construction of the 74-kilometer Gulu-Atiak road that is expected to stimulate trade between the country with South Sudan.
But I'm informed that they have been working in Tanzania, in Lusaka, and I hope UNRA did your due diligence to know the capability of these people. But I warn you in advance that usually it's Chinese companies who come here first time, they don't do good job.
The contractors of this $38 million World Bank-funded project are expected to complete the upgrade from gravel to bitumen within the next 913 days.
And my company has mobilized all our resources, and we determined that we will finish this project within the stipulated work time with good quality. And my company, we are sure that we have the strength and the personnel and all the resources to accomplish this project successfully.
Some of the 9 priority roads without immediate funding include Mukono Katosi, Bempiji Madu, Madu Sembabule, Tugamu Irama Hills, Ishaka Kagoma, Moroto Nakapiripit, Hoima Kaisotonya, among others. Reina Ojen,